Hello guys, our topic for today is ethical issue in animal research. Animals have played a crucial role in scientific advancement for centuries. However, the use of animals in research raises ethical concern.
Scientists who support animal research argue that it has led to life-saving medical treatment, vaccines, and a deep understanding of diseases. Additionally, strict guidelines are in place to minimize animal suffering. Researchers prioritize animal welfare. We follow the principle of 3 R's, replacing animals with alternative methods whenever possible, reducing number of animals used in studies, and refining research methods to minimize pain and stress.
Animal rights activists, on the other hand, believe animals are sentient, being capable of experiencing pain and fear. They argue that inflicting suffering, regardless of the potential benefits for human health, is ethically wrong. Additionally, they point out some animal studies may not translate well to humans due to the biological differences.
Seeking feedback or advice from our classmates or batchmate in ZSBGC, Pagadian Campus, with the program of gas biology. Our topic for this video is ethical issue in animal research. So we are biologists, so we need to seek as feedback from our classmates because we are biologists. We need to dissect, we need to kill some animals that we need to pass this program. Our question for today's video is we're supposed to kill animals to make us to survive in this world. So let's go. Good morning, Sir Herbas. So as a biology student, kailangan na patay yung mga animals para sa itong mga laboratory programs at laboratory, like just like zoology.
Yes, kung masology ka kailangan ito animals para sama ito yung agad na kailangan ito define sa yung mga parts nila, internal o external.
So, para sa ikaw, kontra, pili ka kontra ng one. If ever nga, you have a chance nga, pili ka pwede makadissect. If you are vegan like in America, we have a vegan, in Australia, we have a vegan down there. We don't kill animals, we support their emotions. So, as if you are a vegan,
Ako,
so
ako, kung bigan ko,
yes.
ako ngayon mo, ay zoology bang kan? Tungkol, subject. So kung yung ka nga, kailangan ko na to. Pero kung butan nila, dito ni Sir na, Sir, ako na Sir na, Sir, ako na nagsik ka na, tanong man.
So, ganito ko siya. Animals have life also. So, animals have life also.
Oh.
And plants have life also.
Oh.
So, you're going to kill plants rather than animals.
Yes. Kung mo ko'y magkayang man, para animals. una na sila kinabuhi. Dili piya sa tutanong na di na ito mapili lang mga nila, mga feelings. Pero sa limas, ano nga ito, ano ito, mapili lang mga emotion.
So, do you think an animals, and plants wala emotion?
Ano ka na emotion? Nakayong sila tinto, di ba wala?
They can't speak, but they have emotions.
Diba sa
We're going to publish a source of that para ma-evaluate ka, ma-inform ka that there is emotion in plants. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Our content for today's video is any issue in animal research. So, as a biology student, kailangan matamo pa tayo ng animals para para mapasa kita ng program ng BS Biology.
Yes, because as a biology student, kailangan na itong magamit o mga animals to determine their external and internal na parts.
So, you're meant to say, kailangan mo dissect or identify sa mga organs sa mga animals to pass this program. Okay, that's all.
So, good morning. I have a question for you. Yung lang, kailangan patamo pa tayo animals para mag-graduate sa course ng BS Biology.
Yes, mayroon po as a biology student, kailangan po ng use of animals para sa pang laboratory kay kung mo may kikinahanglan sa mga isda or requirements para makakalala sa mga anatomy or hindi ka pinagbilang about sa animals. So, ang akong course kaya about man sa study sa animals, so kailangan ito na patay lang tao animals para lang sa makabalot lang sa mga study. Okay.
So, based sa ihang answer, di daw siya mapatay o kanang animal since ang course is biology man. According for her to graduate sa iyang course nga iyang ikuha. Since you are a biology student, then aware ka nga mag-dissect mo og mga animals. So, if ever nga mag-dissect ka og dog, then kabalo ka is naadyo na siya yung law nga kung yun ang mga animals is makuha yung mga cases, especially ang mga DENR, kaya sila man dyan ang nagkuhan sa mga animals. So, unsa man ang angay buhaton na adili mo maapektuhan as a biology student since required man mo nga mag-dissect og mga hayop.
So, as a biology student, we're expected nga mag-dissect yung sa animals, just like dogs and cats, whatever, the structure on side ng isugo na pa-dissect. So, sa school, we have privilege nga mag-dissect. Ang school na mga yung acknowledgement or nakalimutan. As a biology student, so we need to seek an provision or advice from our instructor na pwede ba ito mo-dissect of dog or cats sa atong manaod mo karon kay na natin mga animal welfare nga kung nag-protect sa ilaha that just like DNR, Centro, and whatever nga makatapang sa mga animal welfare. So, as a biology student, if kailangan na para mag-graduate, ano ang best biology, so I need to follow the instruction of my instructor. So, I'm going to dissect dogs and cats, whether they have an emotion also, so as to pass this best biology. So, we need to seek advice from DNR, we need to get some receipt from DNR or Central to complete our dissection of animals, specifically in dogs and cats.
Okay, thank you. So, according to him, kailangan sana siya mag-seek og permission sa mga authorities kay para dili illegal ang ipaghimo nga pag-dissect sa mga animals.
Good morning, Denton. I have a question for you about issue in animal research like killing a dogs and in your own opinion, is it okay for you to kill a dog?
Actually, for me, personally, if they use the dog's meat or they use dogs or they kill dogs for research purposes, it is okay for me because I don't think it's not good if you kill something to use for your research. And I think the animal welfare is law about dog protection is overrated because actually mas nahatagan pa nila bili ang dogs kanang law sa dogs nga mas dali pa sila mo action if na ay mamatay nga dogs kaysa sa mga tao. Yeah.
So, thank you. So, I have an additional question. So, about the killing dogs. Here in the Philippines, we all know that some of Filipinos eating a dog, raw dog, and even though making a lechon dog. So, is it okay for you?
As what I have said earlier that I am agreeing of killing dogs as long as they use it properly or eat it without if they don't kill the dogs just for murder purposes or just for nothing. That's where I don't agree of killing the dog. Thank you.
Good morning, Bert. I have a question for you. As a biologist, is it okay to mamuha pag endangered species sa Inhangi, just like biodiversity in Mount Timolan? So, pagbuhat ng tertiary dito, imoni mo dito sa sabihan ninyo dito sa laboratory. Is it okay for you?
For me as a biology student, I do not agree in dropping animals for research purposes. If it bring harm to, for example, their research do not have the guarantee to mabuhi ang katong animals. So of course, I do not agree. For example, if kanang animals habiting the mountain, dili inigwaon na mo to sila, katong mga animals, they have, for example, ecological balance. So if kwaon mo tong usa ka endangered species, so we have a food web mako, di ba, from consumers to producers. So for example, ang katong kuan is producer to siya or mao to siya gina-consume sa bigger nga animals. So mahimo na noong dili balance ang ecology. And if ang katulang ilahang research purpose do not give the guarantee for the animal to live. But kung ilalagay akong buhian sa mountain, di okay ra siya.
Hi ma'am, I have a question for you. Is it okay kining animals na ipaghin mo sa mga research to make as vaccine, just like in COVID, we have animals that produce an enzyme to fight against the vaccine. So what's in your opinion? Is it okay for you?
Kanang if ako pa Israel kay subjective siya, kaya na siya duha ka kuan, na siya duha ka answer. Once kung gawa si tag ethical kay syempre ato jud imuhis ang isang pakutang para kinabangan sa uban. Pero sa isa pud sa kuan pod kung as a biology student kay which is dili di siya pwede kay lagi sa giingon pa kanatay food web ay natay kuan na kanang what if nato siya kay breadwinner to siya Charles lang. What to siya producer to siya so mga consumer ato sa giingon pa sa imong interview ganiya na makadaot siya kay ang mga consumer ato kay wala na siya i-consume kay ikuha na ang producer. Pero kung dili sa ethical kasama sa kong giingon nga kanang if kanang tagaan kag chance nga imuhang kaugalingon kay usa na gamiton para sa uban para sa kaayuhan sa tanan then go og more guys lang.
The scientific community is actively exploring alternative methods of research, such as computer modeling and cell cultures. These advancements might significantly reduce our reliance on animal testing in the future. The debate surrounding in animal research is likely to continue. It's crucial to weigh the potential benefits for human health against the ethical concerns about animal welfare. Finding a balance that allows the scientific progress while minimizing animal suffering is an ongoing effort.
To learn more about these complex issues and form your own opinion, we're going to put some link at the captions or in the comment section below and click it so you can inform you and you can make your own opinion. So that's it and that's all. Thank you.